Scan for SOVI and straight A's only. Let's go! Algebraic limits can look intimidating, but solving this specific problem is actually super quick if you follow these 3 simple steps to simplify the entire expression. Since both fractions share the same denominator, we can simply add the numerators together. This gives us a single quadratic expression over the term x plus 1, so let's go. Now we factor the numerator. Notice that 3x squared plus 4x plus 1 factors perfectly into 3x plus 1 times x plus 1. This is the key step. Finally, we cancel the x plus 1 terms. We are left with 3x plus 1. Plugging in -1 gives us -3 plus 1, which equals -2. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Don't skip factoring, just add fractions and cancel terms to find the correct final answer.